Setting a budget for your Google Ads campaign is a crucial step in managing your advertising expenses effectively. Your budget determines how much you're willing to spend on a daily or monthly basis. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set a budget for your Google Ads campaign. 1. Understand your business goals. Define your objectives. Clearly outline the goals of your advertising campaign. Whether it's driving website traffic, generating leads, increasing sales, or raising brand awareness, understanding your objectives will help determine your budget. Calculate your break-even point. If your campaign is geared towards sales, consider your break-even point. Determine how much you can spend to acquire a customer while still maintaining profitability. 2. Research industry benchmarks. Explore industry benchmarks. Research industry benchmarks to understand the typical cost per click, CPC, and conversion rates in your sector. This information can provide insights into what others in your industry are spending. Analyze competitor activity. Consider the competitive landscape. If your competitors are actively advertising, it can be an indicator that the market is competitive, and you might need to allocate a reasonable budget to stay competitive. 3. Use the Google Keyword Planner. Keyword research. Use the Google Keyword Planner to research keywords relevant to your business. Understand the estimated CPC for these keywords, which can help you gauge potential costs. Estimate clicks and costs. Based on your keyword research, estimate the number of clicks you might receive and the associated costs. This can help you project your monthly advertising expenses. 4. Determine a daily or monthly budget. Daily budget. Decide whether you want to set a daily or monthly budget. Google Ads allows you to set a daily budget, which is the average amount you're willing to spend per day. Monthly budget. If you prefer a monthly budget, calculate your monthly budget by multiplying your daily budget by the average number of days in a month, usually 30.4. 5. Consider campaign objectives and prioritize. Allocate budget across campaigns. If you have multiple campaigns within your Google Ads account, allocate your budget across these campaigns based on their priority and importance to your business goals. Prioritize high-performing campaigns. If you have campaigns with a proven track record of delivering positive results, consider allocating a larger portion of your budget to these high-performing campaigns. 6. Set bid strategy and adjustments. Choose a bid strategy. Select an appropriate bid strategy based on your campaign goals. Options include maximize clicks, target CPA, target RAS, and more. Adjust bids based on performance. Regularly monitor campaign performance and adjust your bids based on data. If certain keywords or ad groups consistently perform well, you might consider increasing bids to capture more impressions and clicks. 7. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review performance. Keep a close eye on your campaign performance. Use the Google Ads dashboard to monitor key metrics such as clicks, impressions, CTR, conversion rates, and costs. Adjust budgets based on performance. Based on performance data, adjust your budgets as needed. Increase budgets for well-performing campaigns or reallocate budgets away from underperforming ones. Tips. Start conservatively. If you're new to Google Ads, consider starting with a conservative budget. You can gradually increase it as you gather data and understand campaign performance. Set realistic expectations. Be realistic about what you can achieve within your budget. If your budget is limited, focus on specific goals and prioritize high-impact campaigns. Experiment with budgets. Google Ads allows you to experiment with budgets. Test different budget levels to find the right balance between visibility and cost-effectiveness. Use shared budgets. If you have multiple campaigns with similar objectives, consider using shared budgets to ensure a consistent spending approach across these campaigns. Setting a budget for your Google Ads campaign involves a combination of research, analysis, and ongoing monitoring. It's a dynamic process that may require adjustments based on performance data and evolving business goals. Regularly review your budget allocation to ensure it aligns with your advertising objectives and provides a positive return on investment. So that's it. See you soon.